Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into OmeliaOliverJwells.com, an online store that supposedly sells handmade-inspired jewelry like earrings and necklaces under the posh-sounding name Omelia and Oliver. Everyone's asking if it's legit, so let's peel back the curtain. First off, the website was created in March 2025, making it so new it still has that freshly coated scam smell. These pop-up shops have a funny habit of disappearing faster than your paycheck on a Friday night, so that's definitely strike one. Then there are the product images, which appear to be shamelessly copied from across the internet. It turns out taking your own photos is just too much work when you can borrow someone else's hard labor for free. And don't even get me started on those massive 80% discounts. If a deal looks too good to be true, it's usually because it is. Real brands don't typically slash prices that hard unless they're literally going out of business or selling you painted plastic disguised as gold. The brand identity is another masterpiece of fiction. Omelia and Oliver sounds like a lovely couple you'd meet at a vineyard, but there's zero proof they actually exist. No team photos, no backstory, just a lot of emotional marketing fluff. It's basically a ghost story with a checkout button. Over on Trustpilot, the reviews are a chaotic mix of suspiciously similar praise and absolute horror stories. One customer was stuck with earrings that looked nothing like the photos and was offered a measly 10% refund or the privilege of shipping them back to China at their own expense. How generous of them. While a few people claim to be happy, the whole operation feels more like a game of retail roulette than a legitimate business. With copied images, unrealistic discounts, and a total lack of transparency, you're probably better off buying a ring from a grocery store vending machine. It's best to stay cautious or just skip this one entirely. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed this reality check, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews.